Hello traders around the world, welcome back. It's another Sunday morning, and I am going to do a review of all the trade ideas I sent out via TradingView and I think on Facebook. Okay, today's video is not going to be a long one because I kind of didn't do a forecast for this week, but during the course of the week I gave us some trade ideas, so I'm just gonna cover the trade ideas and then straight away do what I'm kind of looking for without doing a separate video. Okay, but next week I will do two videos, one for the review and one for the forecast. I'm doing this because I didn't do any forecast for this week. Okay, so without spending much time, let's jump to it. Right, the first one was Aussie CAD. Okay, and I kind of gave this level for a buy. Okay, and it wasn't a big target. Then again, this pair is very rangy. It does go sideways a lot, so let's see what happened. We came, hit the target, we hit the level, the entry, went almost to target, and then dropped back down. If you are following this, I kind of gave an update on here that price is taking too long to move to our target, so I don't like it, and I took some position off. So as this was going up, I took some position off just to cover myself. And right now where we are sitting, I'm kind of, I don't like it, because if this is going to go here, it's not much of a distance for it to go there, and we've been going sideways for practically the entire week. So this is the beginning of the week, which is 13th. Okay, and that's the entire week, which is really bad. Yeah, so going into next week, I think I will close this and then wait for more information, because I don't like the way we just went sideways. Okay, I just don't like it. As simple as that. If it was going to go here, it should have gone there by now. Yeah, so I will personally, Sunday or this evening, market open, I'll just close this because it's taking too long. Moving on, Euro New Zealand short. This one was a good one. Let's see what happened. Yeah, we dropped down almost again to our target, which is, let's actually go into Euro New Zealand. Yeah, there it is. Okay, we came 70 pips down, so that's not bad. Oh yeah, 70 pips down, and the target was there. So 70 pips is decent. Okay, but I still think this should continue going down. It should continue going down. The fact that we went sideways doesn't make me happy, but I still favor for this low to be taken out. That's what I'm looking at. and then come here. Okay, so that's the target. I'll still leave this trade open. I still have it open short from there, so I'll still keep this trade. Let's jump on to the next one, which is oil. Now oil has been a bad boy. Okay, if you did watch the video I shared about that strategy of using 4 candles and the Fibonacci 50%, this was actually trying to play out on Friday, but it took out that high of the last swing. So I'm gonna show you. Let's go on to oil. Onto oil. There it is. Okay, there. Okay, so if I jump onto the daily, so you can see we have the swing low, and we've just traded above that third candle that forms the swing low. So we are expecting price to expand to the 50%, which I thought it was going to do Friday, but you know, it decided to stay sideways. But I still favor that this is going to go up. Let's drop down to the 1 hour. Okay, so we got to the entry, went up, took out that high right here. That's the daily high, okay, of that swing. So that's the high there. We took it out there and then retraced to our entry again, okay, and it started popping up. I like the fact that it came here and it's trying to shoot up. Okay, I still have this target there, and it's still there. That's where I think price is gonna go. So I have this as the first target, and then that as my second target. So if we do get here, I'll take some position off, and then there I'll take most of the position off. It's not 50%, but show you why I'm taking it there. Okay, the 50% is up here, right? But because this is an old low, okay, usually price will react, and I don't want to be in profit and then it gets there and then kind of retrace all the way back. So I'm taking some here and some there. Okay, 50% is still possible, okay, but pay yourself as you are in profit. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's my mental advice. Pay yourself, always pay yourself something when you're in profit in the trade. Okay, so that's the business for oil. Let's look at Aussie New Zealand. This one too did the same thing, went up and then came back down. Yeah, I'm still gonna keep this because I still think it will go up. Let's have a look at it. Where's my drawing? My drawing has disappeared. Which one did I use? Okay, I'll just draw it again. So the long was from here, stop there, and target there. I still think it will go up. Okay, it should. Yeah, there's nothing to say about this. I still favor an up movement. Okay, so this doesn't change anything, but the only thing that is changing is the Aussie card. That I'm gonna close it because I don't like the way price is doing. Yeah, so that's the business on this. Now corn. This is a very interesting one, because let's have a look what happened. This was what I was expecting to happen here on my entry. Okay, this rally, suspecting it there. Right now, I cannot teach why it went up, okay, because it takes a lot of you should learn a lot before I can explain for you to understand. But this rally is what I expected here to take us into the profit target there. The fact that they came all the way down to take out this low makes it even bullish. Okay, the fact that we've come all the way down here. Now I'm gonna quickly go on to corn. On USD, I'm gonna remove all the drawing and come back here and drop down to the daily. Okay, and I'll tell you why it's very bullish. So we dropped down to the level that I liked. Okay, that was the level I liked, and this rally was, this rally was what I was expecting. This candle, not that one, the middle one, yeah, because we formed a low, a lower low, and then this should have formed a higher low. This will be a swing low, and that candle should be taking us in here. Now watch, let's put this right here. Okay, now I'm gonna drag it to there. Okay, so this candle is what I was expecting here to take us into the first target, and then continuation to the second target. See that? The fact that they ran all the way down just to clear this low and then reject coming back up, next week is even bullish. Okay, so next week I am targeting here as my objective for next week. Okay, so that's where I'm targeting for next week, but I'll take some profit when we get above this high. So these are the two profit targets. Now the reason why I'm giving this is because of this candle. Okay, the fact that they were able to come all the way down, take out the low, and then quickly run back up is very, very bullish. Okay, so next week, straight away, market open, I'm going in as a market order, and my stop will come down here. I know it's a bit big, but that's where it has to be, because there's no protection in here. Okay, protection is down here, so this is how it's gonna be. So wherever market will open, I'm going straight in long. My stop will come down there, and my target will be there. So that's the first target. That's a 1-to-1. That's good, and that is a almost 1.5 to 1, which is not bad. Okay, that will be my final target for next week, and then I'll see what will happen after that. Alright, so market open, straight in, buy with a stop down here and a target there. That's it. Nothing to be said. I think it's got put. Let's have a look at the weekly. Yep, yeah, I like it. Yeah, that high and then there. Yep. Okay, so that's it. Market open, buy, stop down there, targets. Okay, it is very bullish, so this can keep going up even more than these two targets, but I'll be happy with these two here. Right? Okay, so that is the business for corn. I think that's it. These are the trade ideas I had this week, and we only had one loss, which is this one here. The rest didn't do much. Euro New Zealand gave us some joy. Oil too gave us some joy. Aussie New Zealand is still, I gave out a signal I think on Friday. Yeah, I gave it on Friday, and Friday is not really a good day for trading because the week is done. Aussie CAD gave us some joy, but then disappointed. I think that's it. Okay, so that's the review I've got for the ideas I gave out during the week. Let's have a look at a few pairs. Let's go into my watch list. Let's have a look at what this is doing. Right, so we have a pop up. Let's have a look at it daily. Yeah. Have a look at the 4 hour. Look at the 1 hour. Right. Trying to see if this wants to just come back up and continue going higher, which I don't see that. I don't see that at all. I'm just concerned with this engulfing candle. Okay, this candle, this bullish candle has engulfed this one. It's a bit of a concern. Apart from that, we should stay below this candle for me to be, put it that way, actually this way, there. Yeah, we should stay below this candle for me to be still bearish. Okay, I don't want to see price keep going higher above Friday's high. So if you're short, listen carefully here. Let's push this aside. If you're short, listen carefully here. Right, I don't want to see price go above Friday's high. If we do go above Friday's high, I am not going to be short anymore. Okay, because price should just come down, retrace a little bit more. This is too shallow of a retracement. Yeah, we didn't even get to the 50%, which I always like to see. Okay, I know why price is doing what it's doing, because there was a supply zone this area. Okay, that was a supply zone, so it's causing a bit of reaction. However, if we go above this high, then bearishness to the sideline, and then I'll see what price will want to do over the course of the week. But in all fairness, I still want this to go lower, so I'll see how we trade on Monday. If we don't go above this high, then it's still valid to go down, but if we go above this high, then I'll put the bearishness to the sideline and then wait and see what price wants to do, because it's not clear. This is a consolidation and we break out and it's coming back up, so it could be a consolidation, okay, or sideways, and then we break down, causing market to go in bearish mode, and then everybody get excited to go short, only for it to resume going higher. And remember, I said the bias is what? Up, but this is just a short-term retracement to go down and then continue going higher, right? So this could be a consolidation, a fake out, and then resume going higher. If that's the case, we will get in, but we have to see confirmation first. So we will see over Monday and Tuesday. Let's have a look at what other pair. Euro USD. Euro USD is made a swing high. It's formed a swing high, and as you know, once you form a swing high, price is gonna go down. So what I'm looking at is this low will be taken out, and then probably price will come below this low over the course of this week. Okay, so that low is low as targets. So this one is already done, so let's focus is that one. It's not a lot of pips, but still something. Okay, so I want price to come here and take out this low. Yeah, so that will be the business for euro. I want price to come below this low. All right, so that's what I'm looking. I'm just watching. I'm not short because it's too low. There's not enough profit. It's not enough profit for me in this, because if I go short, my protection has to be over a swing high. It's too high. My stop is too way too high. Okay, it's not enough, so it's not a good trade. But however, that's where I want price to go. So if we do get there, that'll be a plus. Okay, what else am I looking? Let's have a look at gold. Gold, as I mentioned, I am not doing anything until we come above this high. Okay, on the 4 hour, I'm not doing anything until we come above this supply zone here. Okay, if we do close above it, then I'll be interested in a long. Until then, I'm not going to short it because the daily doesn't support my shorting bias. Okay, because the daily is too bullish for me to be going short. So line in the sand, let's break this high, and then I'll try and catch a long to go to that target that I have marked there. Let's have a look. Let's look at this pair, because last week I was watching it. That's Friday, Wednesday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. I was watching this on Sunday morning, and I kind of wanted to go short. However, I didn't pull back to the level I wanted. Okay, so that's last week. Friday, and then the Monday. So that week I wanted to see Monday exactly the opposite of this. Okay, so instead of trading down and going up, I wanted it to trade up and then go down. So this was the level I was watching, exactly this candle here, that supply area. Okay, that candle was the one I was watching, so I wanted price to trade there and then go down, but I didn't get that. So we did push up on Friday, or this week we did push up. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for this candle here. Now that we've gone up, okay, I'm looking for this candle to give up. Okay, this candle to give up. If we do give up this candle, okay, this demand zone, drop, base, rally, if we do give up this, then I'll wait for a retest. So let me show you how you look at it. Okay, so for example, something like this. So we have a drop, base, rally with this down candle as an example. Okay, we close below it, or let me put it right here. So we close below, is the body I'm watching. Okay, we close below and then a straight retest. Okay, that is what I want to see here. Okay, so if we close below it and then retest right here, something like this, then we go short with a stop above here, and then you target the low. Okay, so close below, retest, and then now target this low. Okay, so if we do close below, then that's the target. If we don't, then I'm not going long, because the daily is forming swing lower highs. Okay, have a higher high, a higher high, a lower high, a higher low. I get confused with this. However, price is making lower highs. Sorry, that's a lower high, that's a lower high, that's a lower low. Okay, so I want price to make a lower low, breaking this low here. That's what I'm expecting. So on the 4-hour, that's your trade right there. If you break this, retest, short, target here. All right, what else am I looking at? This, no, I don't like this one. It's not clear enough. Too much trading going on here. Let's have a look at G card. Same thing, two sideways. GBP, CHF. Let's have a look at this. Let's go into the daily and have a look. Yeah, I kind of fancy this one too. Let's go into the weekly and have a look. Yeah, so I like this demand zone here, okay, for as target. Okay, it's not to go long, but as target. So that, let's put this line here. Okay, as a target. And let's drop down to the 4-hour. Okay, I want to see us close below this. Okay, I want to see us close below that. Okay, if we do close below it like this, then a retest, then a short, targeting there. Simple as that. I'm just a bit concerned that we went above this. Okay, usually when we go above a zone, it's indicating that they want to go higher, but we went above it, came back down, should go higher, but we couldn't. We've gone down, so I think price wants to go down. So if we do close below here, retest, and then short, go down. Simple. I think that will be it. Let's have a look at Aussie yen, because this one too is giving me a signal. Let's have a look. Nah, we failed to make a high. We failed to make a high. So that's a fractal swing high. So we have a high, a high high, and a low high, indicating we want to go down. Something like this. A high, a low, a lower low, and a higher low, indicating we want to go high. So we have a high, high high, and a low high, indicating we want to go lower. So let's have a look at this potential. We've already been there. Demand zone here, close below here, a retest, demand zone, yeah, closed, retest, and it's going down. That will be the target for the week. Okay, this should be the target for the week, and that's it. So if going short, that should be your target, because the daily is still, it's not very bullish, but it's still bullish. Okay, it's still bullish because we are making high highs. This is the first time we've made a low high, so this could be just a false low high to draw sellers into the market, and then they start selling only for price to come back here to this demand zone, and then up it goes. Okay, but I'm not confirming we're going up yet. I have to see what price does when it comes down here. So for now, that's where I think price will go. Okay, we have a lot of, on Thursday early morning we have some high impact Australian news. So I don't know if we're gonna go down here before Thursday, or we stay up here and then Thursday issues down. Okay, so I'm not gonna give much. The short target will be just there. Okay, because we have what, 1 2 3 swing high. Okay, a break will bring us to 50%, which is right here. But get out there, you'll be fine getting out here, right? So that's it. I think I've given enough pairs to look at. You don't have to be trading lots of them, because you don't do over trade. So this is enough, and I will catch up with you guys on Wednesday for an update on all the pairs that I've just given out. Okay, so if you do have any question, like I keep saying, send it in the or write it in the comment section, or just go to my Facebook page, which is this and spell. Sorry, yeah, it's supposed to be Facebook. This one here. Nope, not that one. This one there. Okay, come here and then just post your question, or go to Twitter or Instagram or on YouTube, or you can even send it here. Anywhere, everywhere. Okay, so if you do have a question, send it, and then I'll do my best to answer it for you. I haven't forgotten the series that I said I'm going to do, okay, regarding this. Okay, I haven't forgotten about that. I've actually got a recording done. I'm just working on it to post it, so stay tuned. I'm gonna give more information on it, hopefully this week, because I've got lots of free time this week. So I'll give you more videos, and yeah, the series will come up. So stay tuned and stay blessed.